How to enable the dark mode on Twitch app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the dark mode fast and easy. So all what you have to do, go to Twitch. This is the home page as you can see. Now you need to go to the top corner right here and click on account settings. After you click on account settings, now you need to choose the preferences option right here, the second one, and click on it like this. Now in the first option you will find enable the dark mode, and here you go. You can now enable it like this or disable it as you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.